Hey everyone, I'm David, beauty director at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey, also beauty director.
And we are excited to bring another holiday video for you guys. We know how much you love these, and this is an incredible gift guide video for you.
At Sephora this year, we're all about connecting to your loved ones through gift giving. So in this video, we're gonna offer you some suggestions of some cool gift ideas that you might toss out to somebody that you love.
Yeah, and it's a great way to connect with people in your lives, right? Like that's the fun of giving a gift is it's really an opportunity to say, I know you. I know who you are. I know what you're going to like.
I like to say I think I'm a pretty good gift giver.
Yeah, I know
For
you say
sure.
that.
I do. I kind of like credit myself for being a pretty good gift giver.
I think you, me, and Maisha are pretty good. I think all of our friends and family are real happy with what they get from us.
I love it. So
let's jump in because I know you've got a
right
really awesome, I'm already staring at it and I'm like,
Yeah, so first up from Kiehl, since 1851, we have the Bright Delights holiday set. Now this is really great because inside you're gonna get all the things that you need to get your skin glowing during the holiday season. You get some of their best sellers and some of their newer tried and true favorites, right? So first up, you get the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. Now, we've definitely talked about this on the channel a lot, which is really great because it's a soft toner that hydrates and it's alcohol-free, which is awesome. You're gonna get
that over there?
Which one? This one?
The green one.
The green one? Oh, you want the green one?
Yeah.
He's like, give me some product.
Yeah, I'm like, that's it over. Don't hold back on me.
You're also gonna get their tried and true and classic ultra facial cream. This is really cool because this is actually adventure tested out in like the Swiss Alps or something like that, right?
Oh yes,
like,
that's right. They told us when we were did the training. Yeah.
They take it to like extreme conditions to make sure that it's gonna keep your skin nice and hydrated in cold and extreme conditions.
Like in environments that will pull the hydration from your skin, this will actually protect it and retain the hydration, which is kind of incredible.
Really, really neat. And then this one is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So this is going to be kind of like your all-encompassing sort of age prevention suspension serum. Yeah. Really great for kind of boosting glow, kind of helping to minimize the appearance of fine lines and texture on the skin.
I think it's just a great group of products to introduce you to what Kiehl's does best. You know, they have incredible hydration. They have incredible nighttime serums. They have some fantastic eye creams, which I do love this. The avocado eye cream is so good.
Obsessed. The creamy eye treatment with avocado
so good.
Is amazing. I love the texture. It's really balmy and it definitely keeps my under eye hydrated all day, which I'm obsessed with.
And I know you're really into Kiehl. So who would you gift this to? Just if you off the top of your head.
This is a tough one, but I honestly do feel like I would probably gift it to my dad. Like because I'm sort of teaching him a little bit of the skincare ways. He's new to the game and he's trying to like, really preserve his skin. So I think that this would be kind of fun to give to him. Plus, Kiehl's is really like known for being men friendly and have always created a men's line. So this is a great way to dip his toe into a new brand.
I love that.
Yeah.
So up next is from First Aid Beauty, and this is Fablantis.
So cute.
Atlantis for the fabulous.
I mean, this box too is already so like giftable. Like you can just stick a bow on it and be done.
So what's incredible is actually what's inside of this, which is 5 full size of some of their most incredible products. Now, you have all heard me talk constantly about the facial radiance pads and the lip therapy. I love these products. They're in my kit constantly. They also have the Ultra Repair Cream, the face cleanser, and the hydrating serum. Again, all full size. These are key First Aid Beauty, like hero SKUs, hero products, you know what I mean? Like anyone you get this to is really gonna love it. And this particular line of products, especially from First Aid Beauty, I feel is incredible for that person who has sensitive skin, because First Aid Beauty is known for their colloidal oatmeal in a lot of products. It's great for sensitive to, normal skin, anything in between there. And they're just incredible products. So for me, I think about this like, this is something I would give to like a niece or a nephew, somebody who's I'm like, I think you could do that next step. Like here's some great products. The facial radiance pads just alone make your skin look like $1 bajillion every day. So everything in here, I love it. I think this is great. This is a great value, even if you're not going to gift it to anyone but yourself.
The value is outstanding. Like you definitely have to check it out for sure.
The value is crazy.
Full size product.
Full size.
Yeah,
I'm like, I spent the price for this just for these two. I'm like, I'm buying this for myself.
Okay, so I know that there's some of you glitter guys out there that are ready to get started and want to know what's coming up for in color, right?
Yes.
You want to see what's hot for makeup.
Makeup.
From Hourglass, we have the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow Collection. Now, this is going to be a beautiful, like, multi-dimensional one-swipe color. Now, it's kind of like a cream powder
I'm
texture.
like, open
yeah,
it.
no, I know. These are so gorgeous. I'm like really trying to. These are so gorgeous because they make like almost like a beautiful sort of all over wash of color. So if you're somebody that likes like really soft focus, diffuse, soft shimmer shadow, this is definitely one for you. It comes with a little stamper inside. I definitely suggest that you keep this little tamper inside because it just keeps everything nice and compact. But then when you get them and you pull it out and you swatch it, like, wow. Yeah, definitely gotta check this out. Like, you can see already that it gives you like a really metallic foiled finish.
It's real foil. This is beautiful and blendable. It's like butter.
Mm-hmm.
It's really so blendable, like unbelievably. I literally touched the smallest amount on there, and it's like.
Yeah, and what I love about them is that, again, they're very finger friendly. So it's kind of like, again, that addictive texture. You want to use it every day. So it's definitely a gift for the makeup maven.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to give it to my friend Kitty. She's been a makeup artist. We actually met at Sephora a long time ago when I first started with the company. And she's actually a finger painter. Like, she creates art with her fingers. So I think that this would be perfect for her to just kind of apply.
You know what would be good for something like this too? And because you just said it and I thought of it. It's great for the makeup lover, but you know who this is great for too? This is great for the person who's not that great with makeup, if you are.
Yeah.
So if you're really good with makeup, and let's say your aunts or your sisters are always like, I love your makeup, your makeup's really good. You know what, gift this to them and make it a thing like where you say, I'm giving this to you, but you gotta come to my house and we're gonna do a makeup night and I'm gonna teach you how to do it.
I love that.
See, connect with people through your gifts. You know what I mean? Like,
beautiful, beautiful.
That would be so cute, right? Because it's really easy. I mean, these are so easy. I just did it with my finger. You just did it with your finger. I know it's all over me, and I want to bathe in it. It's so good.
Hourglass definitely hit the nail on the head for this one.
You can send it right to me, and we'll have a party at my house, Hourglass. Up next is, I'm really super excited for this one.
He's talking. He's gonna keep this one for himself.
Oh yes.
I'm sorry. Like, you're totally gonna keep this one.
Big time. This is from NARS. This is the Velvet Rope Matte Lip Pencil Set. This is in their Studio 54 collection. Look at this box. So cute. It's like a little cigarette case from like Studio 54 times with 4 really cool of their matte lip pencils, which you guys know these are amazing.
Obsessed.
I've raved about these so many times. The ease, the convenience of these. It's a lip liner and a lipstick in one. They glide on. They're super pigmented. Really gorgeous wearable shades. Super long wear. I love this formula so much. I find it so easy as a professional makeup artist, and from what I hear from people that I give it to, because I do give these out a lot, that they're really easy to use. But I was thinking about this in terms of like, because we were talking about like the whole idea of like connecting with people and like, why do you give a gift to somebody?
Right.
And I was like, this is a great thing for that friend that you haven't, that girlfriend or guy friend that you haven't seen in a while, and you're like, I'm giving this to you as this is my ticket to have you come out with me one night.
Oh, okay, cool. Like,
to go beyond the velvet ropes.
I love that.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm giving this to you. I better see it on your lips when we go out
for a cocktail
in a month for a cocktail or dinner or something.
I love that. That's cute.
Like, I think it's it's cool when you think about gifts in that way. It's sort of like a return on investment. It's like, I expect some us time out of this, you know?
I see. I'm learning new things about David, clearly.
Jeffrey, happy holidays, and you're coming out for drinks with me in a month.
I love it. Okay, let's do it. I'm ready. You know I'm always there.
It'll be good. I think it's so cute, though.
Yeah, and I also love that they even put like a little sharpener like built into the box, so like you can take this with you in your little disco clutch and be ready to go.
So cute. Look, you can sharpen it right there.
Love it. So you know holidays is all about hair too. We always come strong with the hair kits. So from Briogeo, we have the Healthy Hair Game Kit. Inside the kit, you're gonna get a whole bunch of my faves. You're getting the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is definitely one that I'm obsessed with. I use it once weekly, and you know, I've given a lot of tips and tricks on how to use this on this channel quite a bit.
Maisha loves this one too.
Maisha loves it. This is definitely a really great, super hydrating conditioning mask. You're also gonna get Farewell Frizz in here, which is like a heat protectant cream that I love. You get the Farewell Frizz spray. This is a really great like milk leave-in conditioner. Obsessed with this. And then last, you're gonna get like the charcoal and coconut oil detoxifying shampoo. This is a really fun like scrub for your scalp that really helps to sort of detoxify and sort of remove impurities and give you a like make your hair feel nice and squeaky clean.
I think with hair, it's kind of becoming one of those things too, where it's a great gift. I know for myself, like we get so many products, and oftentimes, aside from what I use in my professional kit, I will gift out hair, you know, really good, interesting hair products like this. And I always get such a return, like, oh my God, you introduced me to this shampoo and now I'm obsessed with it. Or, oh my God, you introduced me to this hair brand and now I can't live without it. I had to go buy everything from them. So it's a great fun way to sort of introduce somebody to something that they might not know. They might be stuck in their hair routine for 20 years. You know, it's like.
And I know this is great for any hair type, but curls are definitely in conversation. So for those of you out there that are looking for something to get, you know, get your curls nice and hydrated, this is definitely one to check out for sure. Love this kit from Briogeo.
And finally, we got a big one here. This is the Drybar Pre-Party Pack Buttercup Blow Dryer Kit. And this is big, and it comes with a lot. So first off, it comes with obviously the
very
Buttercup,
impressive gift here.
Yeah, this is you're a friend. So you get the Buttercup blow dryer and the ceramic brush, which we'll talk about in a minute.
Love that.
But also in here is some of their key products, like their dry shampoo, their triple sec, which is like the texturizing spray. There's also a new product in here, which is Jumpstart, which helps you to cut down on drying time. So it really protects the cuticle and it cuts down on your actual dry time. So it's really great. You've got some of their incredible hair products, which have that awesome smell. I love the smell of the Drybar products. It's actually a beautiful scent. Like, I think they can make it a fragrance, to be honest with you. And then of course they have the Drybar Buttercup Blow Dryer, which is known for its ionic technology. So it protects the hair. It makes blow drying really easy. It reduces frizz because it's protecting the cuticles. And the same thing with the ceramic brush. So overall, this is an impressive gift.
Absolutely. And you know, you know that you're gifting quality, which is great. Like it's gonna last forever. These are really awesome, like super high durable quality blow dryers, which is great.
And this is the exact blow dryer that everyone uses. All their stylists use this at the Drybar.
Yeah, they do.
So I just think it's a really cool thing, whether it's somebody who is obviously a hair aficionado, or if it's somebody who maybe struggles with their hair a little bit, and you're like, here, I'm gonna give this to you because I know it's gonna help you, and it's gonna help you achieve those looks that you go to Drybar for, that you love, that
again, taking your idea, and you can even give them a Drybar service with that, and then they can go and learn how to use it at Drybar, which is great. So that's kind of cool too. Something to think about.
I love that. This is an amazing gift. I just think that if you showed up with this as a gift, you would be loved. They would, whoever you give this to, they owe you. That's all I'm saying.
Sure.
I love giving gifts. I love the holidays.
It's so much fun. And you know, I definitely hope you enjoyed this video and had some fun with us, kind of just talking about some general gift giving ideas and, you know, taking that holiday gift giving to the next step even.
Yeah, think about how you can use a gift to really connect with somebody, because that's really what it is. It's a way to say to someone, I love you, I'm glad you're in my life. Thank you, happy holidays. You know?
Matter to me.
You matter to me. You matter to me. All of you do.
So if there was a gift in here in this video that you want to gift to one of your friends, be sure to shout that out in the comment section below.
We are definitely on there all the time. You guys see us commenting back. So we'd love to hear your comments and your ideas and your suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos from us every single week. And until next time, have a great holiday season, and we will see you soon, probably with another holiday video. Bye.